Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and I know it's been a long time. I think it's like a couple of months, maybe like 3 months or probably more. But guys, I'm sorry I was away for a very long time. And normally when you're doing your YouTube channel, you're not supposed to be away for so long because maybe your subscribers go down and all of that stuff. But the reason why I was away for so long is because I was working on a couple of stuff. I started my new business. It's handmade scented candle, and I will put the link down in the description box. You guys can go and check it out. We are having a Mother's Day collection, so go ahead and check it out after you watch this video. But I'm back. I am back. I feel so refreshed. You know, sometimes you gotta take a break and just step away, and that's exactly what I did. And I feel so refreshed, so I am back. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your bell and your notifications so you can get notified from me every time I upload. So I am back to my normal schedule, which is every single Tuesday and Thursday. I am back, okay? So make sure you like this video and comment and tell me what you want me to do, okay? But this video, as you can see from the title, this is a very nice spring makeup look. I look so fresh and nice. I look so dewy and glowy, and I feel so good. I don't want to take this makeup off, and I'm not going nowhere. But I don't want this intro to be too long, so let's jump right into this video. Hi guys, welcome. I miss you guys so much. Oh my god, I'm here, I'm back. Okay, let's talk about this eyebrow. I hate it. I haven't did makeup in a very long time, and it feel like I forgot to do my eyebrow. Like, I don't know how to do my eyebrow again, so I need to get back into the game. Okay, anyways, let's just pin up this here, because you know you don't want no makeup to be on this hair. Next, I'm going to go in with this lip scrub. It's called Dark Cherry, and I got this from Amazon. And I'm just going to go ahead and just scrub my dry choppy lips, because you know you don't want your lips to be looking weird on camera and stuff like that. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my NYX Hydra Touch base primer. I love this so much because it doesn't feel like a primer, it feels like a moisturizer, and I do have dry skin, so I have to kind of be careful what I put on my face because I will get dry spots. Next, I'm going to go in with this eye cream. This one is from the Artistry Refresh Eye Gel Cream, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right underneath my eyes, and you know, just so that it doesn't have any wrinkle underneath. Now, this is the cool stuff. This one is from NYX. This is called Honey Dew Me, and it's so slimy. Like, it look like honey, but it feels so hydrated on your skin. Like, when I put it onto my skin and I massage it in, let me tell you something, it feels so refreshing, like mint, refreshed mint on your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it in, and let me tell you something, you need to get this, and it's really inexpensive. So go to NYX and get this thing. Not sponsored, by the way, but I just love it. Now looking good. Next, I'm going to go closer up to you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and take my Revolution concealer, and I picked up the shade C12, and I didn't like it. I don't know why I did it, but it wasn't looking good, the concealer on my eyelid. I normally use my MAC, and I just decided to try this one, and I regret it. I didn't like it, but I'm going to go ahead and use my Beauty Blender and blend it out. Next, I'm going to go into my Patrick Star First collection with MAC, and I'm going to take his powder and just seal that concealer. Next, I'm going to go into the Morphe with Jaclyn Hill collection. I think this one is her second collection, and this one is called Ring the Alarm, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Mugshot, and it's really good for transition color. And I'm going to go ahead and just blend it right into my crease and a little bit above. The next shade I'm going to go into is called Cyrene, and this one is kind of like a burgundy color, and I love it so much. And I'm going to use a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take that exactly right into the crease And I'm only going to focus it a little bit on the other corner, and I'm going to make a little bit of wing with that, and then I'm going to blend it in. It's really pretty. I love this color so much. Then I'm going to go back into the first powder, sorry, the first powder. I'm going to go back into the first shade, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out the harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go into the MAC concealer. This is the one that I always use to conceal my eyelid, and I'm so regretting putting it on. But next time, I'm going to go ahead and put it on instead of the concealer. And I'm only going to do a little bit of cut crease. I just want the color to pop a little bit more, so I'm not going to put too much onto the eyelid. Next, I'm going to go into the shade called Boom, and it is so pretty. Wow. And I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right onto the eyelid. Next, I'm going to go into the shade called Secret. It's like a chocolate brown color, and I'm going to focus that only on the eyelid, not the eyelid, sorry, the outer corner. And I'm going to go ahead and just blend it into the other color that I put onto the lid, because I don't want any harsh line at the side, so that's the reason why I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Bad Gal Bang mascara. Oh, I love this mascara so much. I can't get enough of this. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and relax on the eyes for a little bit. I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation. Let me tell you something, even though this foundation say matte velvet, it looks so good on my dry ass skin, and I love this so much. I don't remember the shade that I'm wearing, but let me tell you, it is so good, and you need to have this into your collection. Now I'm gonna take two concealer. One is NARS and the other one is Tarte. I will put the colors down below in the description box and everything that I put onto my face. First, I'm gonna take the NARS, because the NARS is like 2 shades lighter than me, and then the Tarte is like 3-4 shades lighter than me. And the reason why I use the Tarte, because I want to get a little bit of pop, and I'm only gonna put it right into the center under my eyes. You know, that's where you kind of have a little dark spot, so I'm only gonna put it there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use that brush that I use for my foundation, spray a little bit of Fix Plus spray, no, not Fix Plus, Revolution Pro Fix Illuminator spray, and just blend it out. It feels like I haven't been on camera for a long time, so it's like I can't speak, I can't pronounce my words. What the hell is going on? Oh my God. Forgive me, guys. I'm back though. Now I'm going to go back into the Patrick Store powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer. Next, I'm going to go into my NYX Hydra Touch, and this is a foundation, but I get the darker shade because I don't like cream contour, so I try to get something that I really like, and this one is in Espresso, and I'm gonna contour, and bring your contour up, not down, so just flip it up. Now I'm going to use like an angle brush for my nose contour, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a smaller brush just to blend it out. Now I'm going to go into my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NW45, and I'm going to take that and take all the powder off my face and just finish off my face with that powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and wipe off that scrub that I have on my lips. Oh, my lips feel so good. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the same colors that I use on top. I'm going to go ahead and use it at the bottom. Next, I'm going to go into my Fenty Kilowatt, the Girl Next Door in Cheek Freak. And I'm going to take that I'm going to take Cheek Freak and I'm going to put it right onto the brow bone. And then I'm going to take it and put it right into the inner corner. Next, I'm going to go into my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. And normally you could go ahead and blend it out with your beauty blender, or you could leave it and let it air dry, which is what I'm going to do. Next, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio Cocktail Party. And you guys know I'm not a big fan of blush, but let me tell you something. When I got this blush, I was so in love, I couldn't refuse to put on blush. Like, this is the only blush I have into my collection, and I'm so happy that I have it. Next, I'm going to go back into my Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to use that to highlight, and I'm going to take both colors, both shade, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of highlight. Make sure you take that hair out your face. And let me tell you something, this is so good on my skin. Like, as soon as I put it on, it just blends right in, and I love it so much. It's just very subtle and simple, and this is exactly what I'm going for. Now I'm going to take this pencil, this brownish pencil, and this lip gloss from Lena Cosmetics. It's called Sand Nude, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and then I'm going to put that on into the center. I'm also going to go ahead and take this, I think this is from ColourPop, and it's called Instigator, and I'm going to put it into the center because that one was nude and it was very matte, and I wanted a little bit of gloss, and it's the same shade, and as you can see, it's a little bit glossy, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right into the center, and I'm going to take my brush and just blend it in. I'm going to go back and spray my face, and pretty much I'm all done. No, I'm not done. I'm going to go ahead and use that beauty blender that I used to do my foundation and just pat it in. And yeah, I'm all done now. I'm all done. And I hope you guys love this. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I love you guys so much. I'm back, and I'll see you soon.